Alright, I'm having some problems with my SM465 here. I got the new main shaft in, the Novak main shaft for the Dana 18. I put everything in according to the instructions. I'm using the 1.86 first gear bushing, like the newer generation or whatever, because it's what I had. So I bought a new bushing to replace it with. I bought a rebuild kit, non-Novak rebuild kit. Put everything in. I mean, everything went in great. However, I'm putting these bearings in, to finish off the main shaft installation. So I got the front bearing kind of all the way seated on there. Okay. I got the main shaft pushed this way. Okay, right there. And then here's my first gear play, which is way out of line. But then there's the rear bearing. It's, very close to being seated. And, not enough to fix this. However, if I pull the main shaft this way, like that, it gives me a lot more room to push the bearing in, but first gear is on the case pretty much. It rolls, but it's on the case. And then also this fourth gear synchro is super loose. So, I mean, the keys are still engaged, but it's super loose. I don't know what to do here. If I can get some help, I'd appreciate it,